Welcome back to our advanced troubleshooting series for the Nayati Gas Wok Range. In this video, we will diagnose a specific and common fault. The unit has power, the blower is running, but the igniter will not spark. To diagnose this, a technician should always have the wiring diagram available. The symptom is clear. We can hear the blower is running, but there is absolutely no spark from the igniter. This tells us the problem is not a total power failure. The issue lies within the ignition control circuit. Based on the wiring diagram, if the blower is running but there's no spark, the most likely cause is that the electric igniter control, or E1, is not receiving the signal to begin ignition. The component responsible for sending that signal is the pressure switch, or S3. Its job is to confirm that the blower is working correctly before allowing the igniter to fire. Let's investigate the pressure switch circuit.
Upon visual inspection, we've found the problem. The small silicone hose that runs from the blower to the pressure switch is disconnected. Without this hose, the air pressure from the blower cannot reach the switch. The switch remains open, and the system behaves as if the blower is off, thus preventing ignition for safety. Let's demonstrate how to test the pressure switch. It has 3 pins, 1, 2, and 3. Pins 1 and 3 are normally open. With the blower off, a multimeter set to ohms shows no continuity. Now I will reconnect the silicone hose and turn the unit on. With the blower running and pressure applied through the hose, we now measure across pins 1 and 3 again. As you can see, we now have continuity, showing near 0 ohms. This confirms the pressure switch itself is working correctly. We can also verify the voltage flow. According to the wiring diagram, wire number 16 is the power input to the pressure switch. Measuring between this wire and neutral, we get approximately 230 volts.
After the switch closes, power flows out through pin number 3, which also connects to the neutral. Measuring here, we also get 230 volts.
This confirms that power is successfully passing through the switch.
Now that the hose is reconnected and the circuit is complete, let's start the unit. As you can see, the igniter now sparks, and the pilot flame has successfully lit and it's stable. The problem is solved. As a final check, let's look at the 24-volt DC solenoid gas valve. The pilot solenoid, connected to the yellow wire, receives about 11.6 volts during ignition, which stabilizes at 24 volts on standby. The main burner solenoid, connected to the green wire, only receives voltage after the pilot is stable and the user opens the gas lever. It's critical that these yellow, pilot, and green, main, connections are never swapped.